let's change the symbology. We should use something which will be visible. So let's use the symbology for playground. And click on this. To start digitize, we need to go to the create feature pane and click on the playground, and let's look at some playground in the residential area. Here we have found one playground. Let's search for some other playgrounds. This could be a playground. Yes, it's a playground. And also this one, a little bit smaller. This could also be a playground. This one also. So we are done. Let's save this. Okay. Now let's change the symbology to fill color. Symbology. Water. Let's make this water. We can change symbology a little bit to make the water a little bit darker, and outline color, let's make it black. Okay, now vegetation, let's make it green. Outline color should be something like black, and fill color, let's make it green. Let's make it a little bit darker. And go back. Shallow lens, let's make it light pink color as the fill color and black for the boundary. and agricultural land we have here. Let's make it yellow. Field color should be something like yellow, and outline will be black and outline white. Let's make it 1 point. Now let's choose a symbology for residential area or built up area. Let's select this one and see how it looks. So this one, we can turn off the world imagery to see the effect. Let's try this one. This looks okay. Go to properties. Let's change the color to red and make outline 1. Now let's change the road symbology. We'll make it black and increase the width to something like 3 or 2. Let's see. 2 looks okay. Now let's make the playground symbology a little bit smaller. Now it looks good.